It's Sunday, excuse me, 15th August, the day Afghanistan fell to the terrorists. There's some bad news I saw in the morning news. Anyway, up here on this Grizzly 7-foot tiller, getting ready to drain the gearbox oil, see what I got, if I got. And all I've done so far is I loosened the vent. I want to clean that. Loosen the fill indicator, that's here, and loosen the drain. Haven't drained anything. Got my coffee cup, check the oil, or catch the oil. Got my coffee cup up here. Got my fans going. Warm day, but not miserably hot. So anyway, let's see what I got. Got down to finger loose or finger tight, however you want to look at it. I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess, but I can't get my hand all the way in here. Well, it's got oil. That's a good sign. Now I'll take the fill indicator plug out. Help it drain out better. There we go. Actually got a pretty good amount of oil because it's coming out the fill pretty good. So it's overfilled just a little bit. It tells me more than likely it's been changed before. And I'm fixing to have a heck of a mess. Yeah, I did. Well, fortunately, that's why I keep oil pads up here. Kind of hard to do stuff one-handed. Just figured that out first hand. I also got a trash can full of shop rags too. Buy those by the bale. Stuff like this used to bother me. Now it don't. These are oil only pads. They only soak up oil. They won't soak up water. You can get them pretty much anywhere nowadays. Put that up there. So we're probably going to do this in a 2-part video. Let me get my mess cleaned up. And then we'll do second part. Checking the oil looks pretty good. It's been recently changed, but now I know. Anyway, let me clean my mess and I'll get back to you. Thank you.